Hey everyone, welcome back to Quality with Mobary, where we simplify quality management and continuous improvement. Today we're diving into an essential tool for process improvement, which is value stream mapping, or VSM for short. So you might be wondering, what is value stream mapping? It's a visual tool that helps organizations see their entire process from start to finish. It's like creating a map for all the steps your product or service goes through, right from the supplier to the customer. But here's the twist: VSM doesn't show you the steps, it highlights where you're adding value and more importantly, where you're not. This makes it an excellent tool for identifying inefficiencies and waste in your process. In simpler terms, think of it as a bird's eye view. It tells you what's working, what's not, and where you can improve. Alright, so why should care about VSM? Here's the deal. Businesses that use VSM often see significant benefits like reduced cycle times, lower costs, and improved product quality. And the good thing is that it's not just for manufacturing. VSM works for service industries, healthcare, software development, you name it. Anywhere that there's a process, you can map it. Now let's talk about how you can create a value stream map. First things first, you select the process that you want to analyze. You can start small, pick one product or service to focus on. And then step 2 is that you gather the data, you document every step, include the time taken, wait times, inventory levels, and defects. Third step is that you create the current state map. This shows how things are working today. And then you identify waste, look for bottlenecks, delays, and non-value adding steps. Then for the fifth step, you design the future state map. In this step, you envision how the process should work to eliminate waste and improve flow. And then for the last step, you make a plan to turn your insights into action steps for improvement. Sounds like a lot, but trust me, the insights are worth it. Now, here's something I want to prepare you for. Value stream mapping isn't always easy. It can feel overwhelming, especially if you're new to it. But remember, perfection isn't the goal. Start with a simple map, involve your team, focus on continuous improvement. Each step forward brings value to your business and customers. And there you have it, value stream mapping in a nutshell. It's an incredibly powerful tool to understand your process, eliminate waste, and deliver better value to your customer. If you want to learn more or see examples of VSM in action, head over to my blog at Quality with Mobary. I've written a detailed article that walks you through everything we talked about today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful, and let's spread the knowledge and improve quality everywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.